tits and all.
Right, we're going.
Yeah.
Got to
Got thrown out for
Invite me in.
touching.
Who's him at top?
It's just so big, you got me tripping.
Right, I'm ready.
Oh, 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 oh. Oh, I need to turn my light off.
Why don't you open your blind?
No. Hello. Can I change mine, man? Change my mind, yeah, this is rubbish. I need to walk fast. Wait, what was that? Ready to see some freaks in these tube things, whatever they are.
Come on then.
Come on, Jammy.
Dickhead.
You think you're big, do you? You think you're fucking big?
Go ahead. Let's have it out. Let's have it
Come on,
out.
then. You gee boy.
It's got your man look raised stuck up.
Big. That's what you were. You what?
It's got his man look
He's
raised
gonna
stuck
face
up.
it, he's gonna twat you in face.
Right.
It's like, you messing with me?
Let's do
this.
It's like Scott's mad looks like the person who would lead us down here.
See that? Yeah, you always make me go first, so you know.
I'd like to go
Alright! Alright!
Oh god, this is a bit compact, isn't it?
Why have I started staring at the
I
wall?
don't like it at all.
Come on then!
Hey.
Come on
You
then!
want it?
Come on then!
Come at me, bro.
You're looking at me! Right, come on then.
Why don't we go down here to left
Which way are
first?
we going forward?
I don't like it at all already.
I like this. I think this one's good. Sprint!
Too many doors. Too many
I'm
corners.
gone.
Well, there's CCTV here. What happens when it gets caught on fucking camera? What's it gonna
Oh,
do
what's this in
then?
here? Oh, it's a spaceship.
Oh.
I can hear something.
There's tape around here.
There, look. I'll get it.
Ooh. Can we get up on this or what?
No.
You should have left tape through it, so we can have a look around.
I don't want to look at it, I just want to get into it.
Oh god, it's right behind us. Don't go that way, don't go that way.
Which way are we going?
Through this door.
You mean this one I'm going through now?
No, come on.
Gonna...
Loud joke.
Right, we'll go down here.
Oh, this is horrible.
I like
Lots
it.
of tight
You
turns.
little boy.
Oh, look
What's
at this.
What's it say?
What?
It's an alien face.
Exo Intelligence Bureau.
United States of America. I can hear him.
Not behind. Oh, he is. He's behind us.
Oh, there's something
No.
down here. Some books.
There's each file here.
Everybody split up and look for clues. I can hear it.
Yeah, I can hear it. Shrek! What is it? Shrekky!
What?
Shrekky!
Raggy.
Oh, it's not down here. It's not this way.
Round here somewhere.
Boom.
I can hear it right
It's
back.
very loud.
It's in here somewhere.
Here.
Where?
Oh, yeah. Oh, so
Oh,
it is.
yeah.
Right, let's get out of this area, because I don't like it.
Lads.
What, where?
Why did you go off on your own, you daft?
It's down there, look!
It's weird.
It's down there. Where are
I
you?
don't know. I'm in that book thing again.
Behind you. Turn it.
Yeah,
We're still here.
where are you?
Where are you? We're at corner somewhere.
Oh, see
yeah.
ya.
You there, I can see your light.
Get
Oh,
here.
it's behind you.
What?
Oh my god! That scared shit out of me! Oh God's sake! We could have gone that way where he was.
Oh,
But no, you had to get lost, didn't you?
Sorry.
I've run out of stamina. My man's an out fat cunt.
Alright, I run about 2 yards and I'm out of breath.
It's true. Right, I'm gonna have a look if he's here. Oh, he's not
He's
there.
not.
He's not there.
Move!
Right. I don't want to go first in here, this is horrible.
Right. I can hear some. Oh god, it's at left. It's at left. Oh god.
What? It's at left, so where are we going?
It went. No, it went over in that bit.
You've left
It's at
me!
left. We haven't left you. We're here.
Where are we going?
No!
We're back at spaceship.
Well, someone's gone
Oh
left
shit,
and
don't go
someone's
down
gone
that
right.
corner.
Alright, we'll go
Go
this
back to
way.
the spaceship.
Where are we going?
Go to
Wait.
spaceship. But look at stairs there for spaceship. Go up there.
I can hear
You
him.
can't get up those stairs.
Go up here. Who can't?
You.
No, you can't, you go through.
Idiot.
You can't even... Oh,
Right,
yeah,
let's
can't
go
be on
back,
this map, Anna.
go back to where those
Wait.
books are.
Good idea.
I can hear him.
Why don't we turn right? He's right behind me.
Well, run then!
I can't run. My man's fucking fat.
I've gone right. I've gone right.
What do you mean
Oh
you
god!
got right?
You're leaving
back.
me. I was going down there. I got confused where to go.
Keep walking and don't look behind you. He's right behind me.
Oh, books are here. Books are here.
Where?
Right,
I'm going down to the bottom right
we're
and
going
corner.
right.
I'm out of breath.
Oh, he's right behind me. I can hear him fucking slavering or something.
I can hear him, he's close.
Oh, he's gonna get me. You're gonna be. I'm gonna be first one to go. I know I am.
I don't want to be last one, I hate it. I can't stand it. Someone look right.
No.
It's not there.
He's
It's
not
not
there.
there.
Oh my god, this is right along this corridor. Can we
Oh,
sprint
he's
a
right
little bit?
fucking behind me.
I'll have a look
He's gonna
behind.
attack me. He's gonna
Someone look right.
He's not behind.
No, there. But do you want to go right? Too late.
No, you're a shit lady, you.
There's nowhere else to go but forwards.
Lads, I'm gonna look
Half
behind
right.
us.
Oh wait, there's something coming. What's that there?
It's not there.
The new area. What the? What's happening here?
Keep going.
Oh, it's train tracks.
You keep going somewhere.
Can we drop that? No, we can't.
We're at edge of map. We shouldn't be here. It's worst place.
There's a train, wonder if you can go in train.
Oh,
Choo-choo.
fucking hell.